Everybody, Marcia here. I am back today with another scrapbook process video for my creative scrapbook. Today I'm using the August Main kit. This is my second layout with this gorgeous kit, and it features the Simple Stories, The Little Things collection. Also included in the kit was this background paper from 49th and Market, and it's from the Spectrum Gardenia line. So it's full of bright colors, just like the Simple Stories Little Thing is. So I thought I would use it for a background for this layout of my niece when she had her little girl, Ella Jo, and her husband. I wanted this layout to be kind of girly. They had a little baby girl. My niece was adamant that her little girl was not going to wear pink. And so I thought, okay, I'll focus on those pretty purple papers that were in the Little Things collection, as well as this yellow floral paper. And so I'm using some scraps here to layer underneath my photos. And the photos I mounted with some foam tape, and I recycled some chipboard on the back. And I'm layering those photos on top of the pattern paper with a little doily behind to make it a little bit more girly. Then I can start thinking about embellishments. There was this really adorable bunny on the sticker sheet, and I know I wanted to use it on this layout, even though it's pink. As long as this layout is not overly pink, I think it'll be just fine. I think it's more purple than pink right now. I wanted to use the foam title from the foam sticker sheet, and this title says Let Love Bloom, which I thought was perfect for a newborn baby. You can just grow to love them more and more and more every day. Underneath the title, I added a journal card. It has florals with some newsprint underneath, and I just wanted to set it off from that background a little bit more and add a few more layers there. Above on the photo, I cut one of the journal cards so that I could use the top of it, which says noted. There's a photo tab there that says noted. And I thought it was perfect to help accent the photo with the dad holding his little girl. And then the chipboard sticker sheet, there is a banner of pennants in all different colors. And having a baby is a big deal. It's a major celebration time, right? So I thought that banner is going to be perfect underneath the title. I wanted to create a couple clusters on here. One where the banner starts there on the left side, and another possibly on the top of my photos, and then on the right side of my layout as well. So I went through all the die cut ephemera and I pulled out the ones I thought I wanted to use. This kit not only included the die cut ephemera from the Simple Stories Little Things collection, but there's also a Echo Park paper, a day in the life frames and tags die cut ephemera pack. This is where the die cut came from that I am using here to the lower right of my title that says, Live for the moments you can't put into words. I popped that phrase die cut up with some foam tape to give it some dimension, and then I embellished it by adding this adorable little bird on it. I did think I had lost too much of the yellow. My pretty yellow floral pattern papers pretty much lost behind all of the die cuts I have added in embellishment clusters here. I went and found a yellow tag that I could slip on the left side of the photo there. And also I added the yellow typewriter from the sticker sheet between the title and that die cut phrase sticker. So it looks like a little birdie told me, and then I have this typewriter there, and I put some baby powder behind it so that I could roll the paper up and add the text on there. Hello, Ella Jo. The kit also included a stamp set from Vicki Boutin's Sweet Rush collection, and it had some hearts in here, so I wanted to stamp a red heart that I could cut out and put in the lower right corner of the photo with Mom and her baby. I also added a red ladybug in my left embellishment cluster to even out the reds here on my layout, and decided I should put a bow on here as well. So I tied a bow with my Bow Easy, one of my favorite tools. You'll have to look at the close-up photos at the end of this video. My Creative Scrapbook puts together 4 amazing kits every month. This is the main kit that I am working with. They also have a limited edition kit, a creative kit, and an album kit. Thanks so much for stopping by. Bye-bye now.